Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the kernel and current working directory, so saved files land where you expect. Next, choose a save format based on use. Notebook for reproducibility, CSV for tables, pickle or joblib for Python objects. Install packages if missing and import them. Once done, create a clear file name using pathlib or string formatting, include date or version to avoid overwrites, and open a new cell to write the first save command. This begins a reproducible data workflow. Now execute the core saving steps. For tabular data, call data frame. To CSV or to Parquet to preserve types and reduce size. For models or complex objects, prefer joblib. Dump because it handles large arrays efficiently. Use pickle. Dump for simpler structures. If you want to keep variables across notebook restarts, use the IPython% magic. Make sure to close any open file handles when saving. Wrap writes in try except and confirm file existence with pathlib. Finish by validating saved outputs. Read them back into a fresh cell and compare shapes or hashes to the originals, ensuring integrity. Then, commit source code and small data to version control. For large binary files, use data storage or GitLFS. If something goes wrong, inspect the error trace. Permission denied usually means file system or user rights. Kernel restarts can drop unsaved state, and file locks happen when another process holds the file. If stuck, restart the kernel, reopen the file, and retry the save with a new file name.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.